Hi F4. So this week you have got a series of investigations to do. They will link into some of the work we've done on measurement so far. So some of them are about length. I think there might be one on weight, and there's definitely a couple which are to do with money. So obviously money is something we can measure as well. So we are going to be really focusing on your mathematical thinking skills this week. So, like I said in your overview, these tasks are just as much about the process and your working out and your thinking as they are about getting a final answer. Some of you might spend a long time on the process and still not get to a final answer, but I will be really happy if I can see that you've been trying your best working out, trying different mathematical strategies, and using some of your reasoning skills as well. So you will need to be very resilient this week. That means you're not going to give up when something becomes a bit challenging. And there may be times where the strategy you've chosen hasn't quite worked, and you then maybe need to start again from the beginning with a different strategy. So we'll need to definitely have that growth mindset, not giving up, trying again, even if something goes a little bit wrong. We'll definitely need some of our positive thinking from the enterprise skills to stay positive, even when we feel like things are very tricky, keeping on going. And we are going to have to be thinking very systematically this week. So that means organizing our thinking really carefully. So whether that's using a table to record some of our answers as we go, or thinking about combinations and working our way through very carefully to make sure we get each possible one. So we don't want to rush, we want to take our time, think really carefully, and try your best. So this is your first investigation for the week. It's called Stamps. So I'll read the question to you. Meg is sending a letter to China. She has to pay 85 pence. If she pays using 20p coins, 10p coins, and 5p coins, how many different ways can she pay? So that's the main question that you guys need to answer. There are some smaller questions which you might want to think about once you've done a little bit of thinking. So imagine Meg used two 20p coins. How many different ways could she have paid 85p? What is the least amount of coins she could have used? And what is the most amount of coins she could have used? So what you'll need to do first of all, and there's the table on the sheet which will help you for this, is start thinking about the different combinations of 20p coins, 10p coins, and 5p coins that will get you to a total of 85. So for example, you might have 20, 20, 20, that gets you to 60. You might then have two 10p coins, 70, 80, and then you might have a 5p coin, 85. So that would be three 20p's, two 10p's, and one 5p. That's one combination. You might have four 20p's and one 5p. Okay. There's going to be lots of different ways that you can make 85. Use the table to record as many combinations as you can think of. Try and make sure that you haven't recorded the same combination twice. And then go back to these mini questions and see if you can answer some of those. Okay, so resilience, taking your time, thinking systematically. I'm really looking forward to seeing some examples of how you guys have managed to work this out. Good luck.